recording now?
It's recording right now. And then press and hold the middle button to turn it off.
Are you going to have some great footage of your fucking tool?
No, yeah, you have to hold it down a bit more. Mark on the Husky, James on the KTM, Andy on his DRZ. And away we go. Yeah. No good line. What? There's no good line. No good line? Just go for it. Oh, okay. Just go for it. Yeah, yeah. After you. Wait. Now go. Oh, my bollocks. I smacked the seat so hard.
Mate, what, on that little kick?
Oh, my bollocks.
Oh, mate, I got like...
Oh.
Trying to jump that log flashbacks.
Oh, yeah. Ow, that hurt. Oh.
That bit's sick.
I think it's gone up into my liver. Damn it, Andrew. Bad place to stop. I have to roll back, won't I? Surprised I didn't bend the wheel then.
Nah.
I hit that hard, like that went through the bars.
That takes a lot more than that to bend the wheel.
I've done it before. So if I stop somewhere in the middle, yeah, and then I'll, yeah, yeah. good.
A little bit of behind the scenes of the drone footage and how much effort I have to put in to be able to do it. Well, that's me in the bottom left taking control of my little drone, and you know, it's not the biggest drone. I've only got like 10-minute flight time battery, so it kind of helps, you know, if everyone just quickly goes up and down, I can just fly the drone around and get some good shots. Really, really bad idea to crash your bike when I've got limited battery. In James's defense though, it is very, very soft sand where he went down, and he did just kind of step off the bike, so kind of got lucky there. All three of them pick up the bike and continue. By this time I've been waiting about 5 minutes for them to come back, and I presume they crashed. I was going to fly the drone over to have a look, but I kept thinking, oh no, I'm set up in a good shot, I want to get a good wide angle view of them all coming up together, which they didn't end up doing in the end. But you know, now they're back up, as long as no one else crashes, I'm sure we can get a load of runs still on the same battery. That'd be quite good. Oh gosh darn it, Mark. Anyway, going back and forth and all this, yeah, about probably 30 minutes going back and forth, setting up the drone, packing away the drone, getting individual shots, then riding. Yeah, about 30 minutes in total.
Yeah. I guess you can run because it's soft, isn't it, for the hooves?
Yeah, it's nice. This is the best one.
Oh no. You're down there. brakes. Okay, we're going to go to the cafe. We're going to go to a cafe, get a coffee. Oh, it's closed. Yeah, it's closed. Unless they've changed it recently.
It looks like there's signs everywhere telling us not to go up there.
Yeah.
Just cars, but my bike's probably allowed.
3 wheels or more.
Not allowed.
No, yeah, 3 wheels or more. Byway, we're allowed. 3 wheels. Oh no. I'm out here. I'm out here on my own. Oh, thank you. Oh. Yeah. Alright, Stewie?
Did you get all the footage you wanted?
Yeah, I've got some good drone footage.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I was like trying to track them back.
Oh, it's a shame you're going to miss that, you know what I mean, the quality bike's going over. Oh, someone's got a plate up here. Right, I'm not going to roost you, honest.
He is. That's nice. That's cool. Almost. Right, most importantly, beers consumed, we're all now going our separate ways. So it's goodbye from James, goodbye from that one,
Andrew's just stalled his bike. Well, have you run out of fuel? Oh, okay. It does help if you have the fuel tap on, doesn't it? It's hard to get your leg over. Oh, after a long day.